Hello guys, welcome to another Honda Element video. Today I'm here with Joseph from Element 44.
Hi guys.
And we are going to work in this khaki Element. As you guys know, I just got this Element last year, and right now I just have the chance to work on this. So I got it all stock, and we're gonna do a bunch of work with the help of Joseph from Element 44. By the way, this is Joseph's shop, guys. If anybody needs any kind of job, where are you located, Joseph?
Located here in San Bernardino, Southern California. Shop address, we could put it down on the description. But yeah, Southern California, San Bernardino.
And
Nice
if you
location.
guys been following Joseph for a while, also he has a lot of new products coming, right, for
Yeah,
the Elements.
I have a couple products coming out this month, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys. And what we're gonna do today is we are going to lift the Element. I usually will say to do like maintenance first, but since we are at Joseph's shop, I kind of want to take the chance to use a lift, which is gonna make the job easier. And let's move in the back of the Element, guys, and I will show you what we are going to do. Okay, guys, so now let me show you all the work that we're gonna do to the Element with the help of Joseph. And today we are going to do the lift kit. So we are installing the spacers, the HRG sub-drop kit, and also we are going to install KYB struts. And we're gonna go a little bit more detail about this kit, guys, especially that we have Joseph here, and I will say you're a pro when it comes to like lifting cars, and you got a lot of experience.
Yeah.
And do you have any recommendation for people when it comes to lifting?
Whenever you lift your Element, do the sub drop. It don't matter if you go with aerogenics or HRG. Both are actually really good quality sub drops. Highly recommend. It'll keep all the axles, drive lines, everything intact where they're supposed to be and happy. So highly recommend that anytime you do a lift.
I'm going to also post the link of all the parts that I'm using in the description. So the purpose of this is I want you to save you as much as I can in parts. So this is what I just talking to people on experiences that I came out with. You know, KYB, you can also buy OEM, which is a really good option. But just because of the price, I think this is another like good option, right?
Yes.
When it comes to the spacers, this is aerogenic. I picked them up used, but I will say you can always go from these eBay spacers. For me, they look identical the same. Looks like pretty much the same material. What do you think about this, Joseph? Like going from the eBay spacers versus the aerogenic?
It just all depends on preference. There's nothing
Right.
wrong with the eBay spacers. They all line up, they all match, they all fit. It comes with the hardware. So everything between the aerogenics and the regular eBay ones, you can't go wrong.
Exactly.
They're just, honestly, they're just spacers. So
Yeah, so I mean, you guys can save at least $40 to $100 on this. But like he said, it's just personal preference.
yep.
And then I just brought these boxes that I did a job from another of my customers. It's a Tustin for the rear struts. You can use these ones or you can use the KYB. I'm going with the KYB these times, but also I will go through all these in a separate video. Just explain you what is the difference of all the rear struts that you can use. And like you guys see here, sorry Joseph about it.
That's it.
I'm on your way. And Joseph is going to help me to do a front caliper kit upgrade that he currently has in his Element. This is from a 2007 TL, right?
Yeah. 2006 to 2007 Acura TL Type S.
Type S, and he's gonna powder coat it. This is some of Joseph's products. We're gonna install the front lower arms. We're gonna do the rear arms too. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna do a complete maintenance. You guys can see all the stuff right here: transmission fluid, differential fluid, ball joints. Just kind of like reveal the whole suspension. Then I'm just gonna add some accessories. You guys can see it on the floor, and a swivel seats from Heroes. We're gonna do the rear Swift springs, some speakers upgrades. So you guys can see all the process since day one. Like I said before, I just got this Element. It's all stock. So hopefully these videos can help you up, guys, to just work in your own car and save the most money that you can. Okay, Joseph, so let's start with the lift.
Let's do it.